It's clear and simple. A country that is fair for everyone, where every voice is heard. Where our elderly people are treated with dignity as they grow old, without worrying about their care and access to decent public services.
It's clear and simple. Too many are struggling day in, day out, finding it hard to make ends meet. Many can't even afford a home. Every day is a financial challenge. No one should have to face that.
It's clear and simple. Through a lack of decent Westminster funding for over a decade, our NHS, our businesses, our agriculture, our communities are now broken and on their knees.
It's clear and simple. There's going to be a change in government in Westminster. We have the choice to send a strong, local Labour voice to Parliament and put Ynys Môn at the very heart of government. But only with your help.
It's clear and simple.
It's clear and simple.
It's clear and simple.
It's clear and simple.
It's clear and it's simple.
I'm Ian Williams. Are you with me?